welcome to Phone to Fix channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repair the iPhone 6 which cannot on. Let's do it. Switch on power by using power supply. Left hand show the motherboard is leaking when click power on. Direct jump to 0.1, 0.2, but the right hand motherboard is normal voltage. Once click power on, only 0.06. Okay, now we dismantle all screw on motherboard and take out the motherboard. In this case, we suspect 99.99% is motherboard charging IC U2 IC problem. Why this IC will burn? Normally, using low-end power bank, low-end car charger, low-end charger, or during charge, use the phone playing the games and movies. After take up the motherboard, the charging IC is located in here. Must dismantle the cover to withdraw the charging IC. Now need clean the glue around the charging IC before withdraw the charging IC. Now use high temperature tape to apply around the charging IC to avoid blow burn the other's IC component. After withdraw the charging IC, now need clean the glue and clean the soldering. Now apply solder to new charging IC. Now can apply new charging IC to the motherboard. Adjusting the position. Now use the blower, blow the new charging IC to apply on motherboard. Use the power supply, check again the power voltage, is it normal? Wow! Perfect. apply LCD and test again the voltage and see the phone can on as usual. Thank you for watching this video today. If you like this video, remember, like and share our video and subscribe our YouTube channel, Phone 2 Fix channel. And remember, click on the bell. See you next video. Bye.